We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's Shoeper Fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, from the Michael Kors signature store in La Brea, California, the Michael Kors Cosmo trainer in optic white black is a #1 stunner. Okay, I'm a little mad that the box came a little, dinged up, but we'll let that slide. Michael Kors. Now, some might call me a label freak for saying this, but I love a shoe that you can see who it is coming from a mile away, or recognize the brand of who I'm rocking. Don't you? Don't lie. Or you gonna act all shy and not gangsta up in here, cause me, I'm doing cartwheels in these babies right here. That's right, by no means are these for the weak-hearted. You gotta have some sass to pull this look off, cause an ordinary style just won't do. You're elevating your urban look with these eye-popping sneakers, and you can even get away with a pair of regular black jeans and a simple white wife beater. Tell me you ain't modeling and striking a pose walking down Melrose and Knees, or at least at a much slower pace. Reimagine with eye-popping details for an elevated feel. These Cosmo trainers are crafted from smooth leather and feature a bold Michael Kors lettering for a graphic finish. It has a chunky rubber sole finish, and these trainers with an of the moment appeal don't have anything on one side, but again, this KORS in bold big letters on each side of the shoe. Do you feel its appeal? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? So, man-made upper pops with a metallic accent and reptile texture with the lace-up closure, the smooth textile lining on the inside. Can you see that? Can you see that? And fully cushioned footbed, has a lightweight rubber outsole and a heel height of 2 inches, platform height of 1 1/4 inches with a single shoe weight of 12.6 ounces. Yeah, each shoe has its own weight. While these are a size 8.5, please note that measurements may vary by size. So from the 2019, yep, they're hard to find. That's what that means. Hard to find and almost sold out everywhere, even in varying styles and colors, in red and black. And also, they're no longer available in the actual Michael Kors signature stores, but can be found on retail websites like Amazon.com, retailing at $120.99, or at Zappos.com in black for $148.50, and in red at michaelkors.com at the price of $165 with taxes and shipping varying, of course. So let's take a closer look at the Michael Kors Cosmos trainer. warn you right now it's not particularly comfortable to wear for hours upon hours in a day, as your feet will start to hurt. I don't know why they're called trainers, other than to train my feet not to hurt during a long wear, because other than that, I cannot see it training me in anything. Hear me, there's no cushioning, as I indicated, no cushioning. Despite the platform, you still feel close to the ground. But hey, it's a small price to pay for the chance to profile. In my opinion, these are so worth the minor discomfort and price. Besides, you can't be Superfly if you ain't had a Shoeperfly shoe killing your feet every once in a while. Am I lying? Let me know how many of you out there have never committed suicide, causing your feet some serious pain with every step you take, but not giving a dang, because you know they the bomb. And these are the bomb and worth every cent of the pain. So caution, as your foot may also look a bit longer. This looks like a long shoe. But no worries if you got a small looking foot also. They might appear basic. Remember how I said there's nothing on one side. So they might appear somewhat basic if not for the Kors imprint on the side. But I'm not caring, because it does look good. And it does have the Kors. And it gives me the business. So I'm certifying them Shoeperfly. Because this one right here, right now is a must buy. However, I also know that you noticed that these can get dirty very easily. So they're susceptible to marks. So keep your shoe eraser handy, like this one. Now I know y'all up on these, but just in case you aren't, a shoe eraser is the perfect solution to erasing away dirt and for spot treatment, just to remove superficial stains or marks. I don't know about you, but it ain't cute to be strutting in dirty whites that have been stained or marked. So, see? It'll take some elbow grease, but you can just wipe away the marks and stains. See, look at that. Now, it ain't gonna make them perfect, so you really got to take care of it. But it's better than nothing. With that said, I'll leave you with this dating fashion tip. Ladies, to all my ladies, don't ever date a man with dirty white shoes, because if he can't take care of his white kicks, then he ain't taking care of nothing else, such as you. And to my fellas out there, don't ever date a female with dirty whites, as she won't know how to appreciate the finer things in life. Thank you. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna do it again.